Let's start by going to trials.dynamics365.com. Here you can create a different Dynamics 365 trial instances like sales, customer service, field service, and so on. So if you can see below, you get a new link called as sign up here. Click on that and then click on no, continue signing up at the bottom because I'm not an existing Microsoft employee. You will be taken to a new form where you have to start entering your email address which already exists so that you can receive updates regarding this environment, and then click next. So since you want to create a new account, click on create a new account instead. So my first user is an admin, so I'll just write first name last name as a CRM admin and I'll put a business phone number there. This is needed so that I can receive a one-time password. I'll put my company name as CFT160 because this is not the actual company, it's just a trial for me. Now I can select the country I'm in, United States for example, and then click on next. Finally, the phone number I have is for India, so I'll go and select my country and then click on send verification code. Based on your network, it does take some time for you to receive an OTP. It took me about a few seconds. So once I've got it, I will enter the verification code in here. It's a 6-digit verification code. Once I'm done, I can now click verify. You're all set. Now enter a temporary domain, let's say cft160.onmicrosoft.com because I'm not adding domain just yet. Once it's available, you can proceed by creating the first user ID, that is crmadmin at cft160.onmicrosoft.com. Once I'm done creating my first user, I'll click on sign up. So it will take a few moments here to create your account first, and after that you will be taken to the final step. Remember, at this point you have not created Dynamics 365 instance yet. This is just the account. Let's give it another moment here. So now you can click on get started, and this is where you will start creating your actual Dynamics 365 instance. As of now, you have created your account. In my case, this is crmadmin at cft160.onmicrosoft.com. So you will be taken to this page where you can start creating your environment. On the right hand side, if you can see, you can choose what name you have to give to your instance. I'm giving CFT160, and since it's a trial, you do get different types of environments, but since this is a trial, I'll simply click on next. Then I'll be asked some more information as to what the URL of the environment should be. So the complete URL will be cft160.crm.dynamics.com, and I'm just adding just one app here. It depends on the type of trial license you have. You can select a different app to deploy. This app will be available when your environment is ready. So if you click on next, this information will be submitted for provisioning your Dynamics 365 environment. Now if you can see in the list, a new environment of trial is in the state of preparing instance. So it might take a while for it to complete, somewhere between 5 to 10 minutes. Now once it's in ready state, I've just fast forwarded, I can just click on the environment and click on open environment. On a new tab, it will open my Dynamics 365 instance. So this does take a while, but since I've opened it before, it opened quickly. That's it. Thank you for your time.